Alright, so I wanted to review this remote for you guys. I've had this for a while. Yes, I have it labeled as my frame TV. That's what I use it for because we have a lot of remotes. We don't want to get them mixed up. But this is a Samsung remote and it is a minimal type of remote. It's not ones people are used to. So the ones that has the 1 through 9 buttons and a bunch of different buttons. This one, it's got a sleek design. It's thin. You can charge it with a USB-C, but what's really cool is you can charge it by light. I barely have to charge this at all. Usually we'll just turn it over like this and it's usually working for us all the time. Has the power button up here. Let me turn it over. Alright, so it has a power button up here. You can speak into it. Let's say you're on YouTube and you want to search something. You can use this, say what you need to search for, and then let go, and it will populate it in the search area. This is going to have the, instead of the traditional 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you can press this and then navigate with this round button right here for the 1 through 9 and 0 button. It is also the settings button. You can actually customize the different views that you want. Let me see if I can show you. Alright, so at the bottom, you can create, if you want to see your mobile, your PC, your USB, or if you want to make your own kind of view. If you want to add YouTube or something else down at the bottom, you can do that with this button right here. This goes up, down, side to side, and then this is the enter button, back button, home button, play and pause button. This is to increase the volume or decrease the volume, change the channels up or down. Then you have the shortcut buttons, gets you to the Samsung TV, Disney, Prime, and Netflix. As you can see, my dog has chewed on this. This has moved with us a lot. This lasts a long time. Very durable. I dropped it. Obviously, it's scratched up. We've had it for a really long time, and it's still kicking with us. So if you're looking for a new remote to replace that really old remote that you have, you definitely need to check this one out.